Hello, and welcome to KTPS News. I'm Dr. Aaron Gray, and today we're reflecting on the amazing opportunities and events that have defined this semester in Topeka Public Schools. From career exploration to cultural celebration, there's so much to celebrate. Now let's turn our attention to TCALC. Tobias, what exciting developments can you share with us today?
Good morning and hello. My name is Tobias Weichert. I'm an 8th grader at Jardine Middle School and a second-year college prep scholar. Today we're at the College Career Fair here at TCALC. Come with me and take a look around. What is it like setting this all up and having all these colleges being here?
It's a pretty big task to do. We have to move a lot of furniture out and make space for all of these people to be able to do this for half a day. Between colleges and businesses that want to come and talk to students, all of the different opportunities that are out there, and get a broader view of the things that they might be interested in or might be able to connect to.
How does this really impact the students here that come?
I think, and when I talk to kids, it's just about opportunities they didn't know existed. So just seeing the college names and talking to the person, Topeka can be a little bit of an inclusive community sometimes. So getting kids to see what's out there is really, I think, the benefit.
Being here at the College Career Fair, how does it help you in your future?
It lets me know what colleges in Kansas, or at least close to the area, have what I'm looking for. And for me personally, I'm thinking about engineering and computer science.
What colleges do you think have the strongest computer programs?
If we're going for in Kansas, I will say probably K-State and KU.
So as this is your first year of college prep, this is your first college career fair, how do you feel about all this?
I feel like this is a really good time to experience different career paths, different ways to learn, different colleges.
So meeting all of these different colleges, has it swayed any of your opinions to which college you're going to go to?
I still think I'm going to go to KU when I'm older because it has a really good IT program and it also has a really good basketball and football program.
What is the best thing about being here on the College Career Fair?
I feel like being here is just such an amazing experience. Getting to walk around to the different colleges and see all of the career and job opportunities has been such a tremendous experience.
Thank you for coming with me onto the Career Fair. Have a good day.
Advisors excel bright in the season for students across the district by partnering with Kohl to provide new clothes, shoes, and anything else they need. This generous initiative ensured kids felt confident and ready for the cold months, bringing smiles and warmth to our school community.
Today we are having our annual Kohl shopping event. Our employees get the chance to meet young people in the community. They get to know them and take them shopping around
Kohl's and just have a really good time.
They're so happy. I'm very excited. They don't know what to do. If they want to choose one thing, another place, you never know what's happening behind the scene. And this experience lets them feel that excitement that we can have hope.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's been super fun running around, getting to know him better, finding out what he likes, and just being able to make it happen for him.
And just seeing these kids light up, picking out stuff they enjoy and will take home and use for hopefully a year or two. So it's been amazing.
I got a pair of Nikes, I got street toys, and I got a nice jacket, and I got a Nike socks.
It's just the right thing to do. It's just showing kindness and love, and we love to get to know these students and connect with people in our community.
Today we had our second annual youth gathering. This event, we invite over Title VI students from multiple districts, including our own, to come and just be in community together.
Every day is Native American Heritage Month. Every day it's all about learning and raising awareness. So all of my art has meaning if I'm honoring our local elders, if I'm honoring older war chiefs, if I'm honoring tribes, if I'm honoring ceremonies. All of my art has something to say. So that's like one of the most important things for me working with young people.
It makes us feel important, like there's a lot that we could do in life that tell us more about our history and how a lot of Native Americans are like that. It helps us feel empowered.
I think they're going to see that they're not alone. They're here with their classmates and they're here with their community members. And then they're just learning that Indian Nation is still present and still strong.
Hello everyone, my name is Simone Holloway. I'm an 8th grader at Jardine, and join me while we take a look at the Jardine Career Fair. What are we doing here today?
So today we're having our career day. We have a lot of people from the community come in and come around and speak about their career to our students so they can explore their future and what they may want to do.
What is Career Day and what are we doing here today as students?
Basically, we have groups that we get stationed with, and then we go around station to station talking to different adults. I'm learning about certain jobs, basically what you do every day, and so I kind of get an idea of certain fields I'm planning on working at, and it kind of leads me in a direction to know what I want to do when I'm older.
So did you like the way that you got to be close to close, like that kind of one-on-one feeling where you can just ask them whatever
they
you
told
wanted?
us like everything we can see. It gave us a much better view of like what they did as a person instead of just like reading what they do online. They told us much more of like what you could look for towards the future. A lot of people don't know what they want towards high school and for the future, so it helps them have a better idea of what they want to do.
And how has it personally impacted you?
I think seeing these men and women here that are empowering us to do things with our life and showing us. And Mr. James, he was telling me how he came from poverty and it wasn't easy for him. And he grew to see that there was more to life and he became very successful. And I just think that's a very beautiful thing.
A lot of our students, you only hear those few big jobs, firefighter, doctor, lawyer, teacher, and that's all they know. But we have a lot of people coming from the community that have various different positions. And so it at least gives them more of an idea of what actually is out there in the world so they can explore what they want to do.
Thank you guys so much for taking a look at the Jardine Career Fair with me. Have an awesome day.
Before we go, I want to highlight the incredible work of our College Prep Academy scholars. This semester, they took part in internships through Dr. Anderson's Career Exploration class with many community partners, including Washburn University, the Topeka Zoo, Architect One, and many others, gaining real-world experiences and preparing for a bright future ahead. As we conclude this episode, we can't forget the winter holiday celebrations that brought joy and unity to every school in the district. From concert celebrations and the many acts of kindness, this season has been a perfect reminder of the power of community and holiday cheer. As a reminder, school is closed for winter break from December 23rd through January 3rd and resumes on January 6th for all students. Have a wonderful winter break and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching KTPS News.